Using Sam's Club Scan and Go is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Sam's Club Scan and Go. The process is pretty simple. You just have to open up your Sam's Club app and then simply tap on Scan and Go. Once you tapped on Scan and Go, you can actually sign into your account or you can actually continue without signing in as well. Now after that, what they will do is it will give you two options. Either you can enter the number behind the item or you can actually scan it. So you just have to select scan your card or scan whatever or however you pay. So you just have to tap on scan and then you just have to go to the scan and go option and then select any of the item make a purchase. Simply scan it, and after scanning multiple icons you can actually go to the checkout, and in the checkout you will have to select your payment method which you have scanned before, and then you just have to do the slide to pay. Now what it will do is it will give you this QR code. You selected the items, you have actually paid it online, and now what you have to do is simply have to take your phone to the cashier, show him this barcode, he'll scan it, and he'll tell you that your order has been paid, and he'll give you a bag in which you will just pack the stuff and then you can leave. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.